So good morning. How's everyone doing today? Last night I stayed up very late doing vlogging work with YouTube. I put up a new video. It's a video of me and Trent smoking weed. It's pretty interesting. I'd encourage you guys to come check it out. It was just put up this morning. Everything's going fine today. Pain level is doing good. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do today. Cat works at 4 o'clock. So we have part of the day to do something, and then another part of the day to do something by ourselves. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Let me not sound so tired during the video. Get the ball. Bring it here. Can I see the ball? Right here. Come on, dude. Bring it here. Get in the water. Get your water. Good girl. Right. Okay. Come on, Jayda. Every time. You're a funny dog, Jayda. Oh, God. Are you ready? Damn it. That didn't work as planned. Looks cool. It's all cinematic. Ready? You ready? Are you ready? You ready? Drop the ball. Drop the ball. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Ready? Set, go. Good girl. I'm just out here at a park hanging out for a little bit. Try and get some exercise in on the bike before it gets too late. It's a very nice night out. It just got done raining. The rain felt really good. It was perfect for a bike ride and everything. I'm enjoying this a lot. This is a beautiful park I always go to hang out at. It's really hard to see, but it's a beautiful park. Everyone loves it. Jayda loves this park the most because she does a lot with it. But let's see what I can do. One, how's it going? You probably hear an echo. I'm over here at the park, just hanging out. Just got done with riding my bike. This bad boy right here is my bike. You guys have seen it before. I enjoyed the bike a lot. It's a very good bike. It was like a $1,200 bike. It's pretty badass. I'm enjoying it. So I'm just out here to... I don't even know what I'm doing out here anymore. It's okay. Everything's still enjoyable. My microphone for my phone makes me feel weird by using it because it's a little off. But, you know, to be honest, I like it. Everyone likes it. So, I have an idea. What I'm doing? How's everyone doing? This is little Jayda. She's being cute. She's kind of being skittish today. I really don't know why she's being skittish, but she is. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. It's okay. Come here. Good girl. Come on. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Hi. Ooh. 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 Hi, Jayda. See, she loves us. She loves me. Camera up. So, Jayda's being a scaredy cat today, huh? Everything's gonna be okay. She loves me. I love Jayda's. Come here, lay down. Come here. Hi. So Jayda's just a little scared today. I don't know why, but she loves my lap. She's the cutest, aren't you, Jayda? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You just love me. I love you. Do you love me? We're a great big family. Yes, we're just hanging out. So today was a pretty good day. I ended up not doing very much. I went for that bike ride earlier. I did 2 videos. About to do 3. I keep slacking. I need to catch back up. I almost got back up. And it's gonna happen. It's gonna be good on Jayda's. So, my next video that I have to do is we went on a hike to Horsetooth. And you guys have probably already saw that. And yeah, the video for today was pretty good. You're such a good girl. Everyone, tell me how much you love Jayda. If you guys like Jayda, give me a thumbs up, because she's just the cutest thing in the world, isn't she? Everyone loves her. But she's a little scared for some reason tonight. That's why she's being extra lovey-dovey. But doing so today wasn't a very eventful day. Did some bike riding and everything, but I'm gonna sit down and play some video games. The last couple days I haven't been feeling very well. I don't know exactly what's going on. My fibromyalgia has been out of control for a pretty good minute now. So it makes me very happy that I'm not in as much pain lately. I just got myself onto disability to Colorado so I can start getting my life back together, since I'm unable to work compared to how much I am in pain every day, because it really sucks working or doing hard work when you're in agonizing pain. But well, life will find ways to work itself out. YouTube's doing pretty good too. I shouldn't ignore it. I should embrace it. So, let's see. The last video I put up some goals. Most of those goals have already almost been met, and it's the 3rd, which is crazy to think about. But you guys rock. You guys are kicking butt. We're doing very well at this. But right now I feel like I could play some City Skyline. There we go. City Skylines. A very fun game. It's supposed to be really cool with the Steam controller. So I haven't done a video game video. I've only done one, and I did okay. So I was thinking maybe, I don't know, you guys can let me know, but should I make another gaming video? Just, I guess, leave a comment down below. But I don't know what else. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here tonight. Thank you guys very much for all your support. It's been fun. I'm enjoying this a lot. I hope you guys are enjoying them with me. You guys have a great night.